What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and before anyone asks, yes, I'm filming this in Crocs. But all jokes aside, this is going to be an update to my stock portfolio, but before I get started, it's pretty dark out here, so let's go inside. That's better. Alright everyone, my name is Miguel, for those of you that don't know, and this is my stock portfolio on the way to $100,000. As always, there's going to be a link in the bio if you want to start a portfolio of your own. You can use my link or you can use your friend's link, help each other out, get free stocks, but either way, don't miss out on those free stocks. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, and as we can see, I now have a live tab. Yes, I bought cryptocurrency. I fell into the TikTok trap. Dogecoin, I have 1,289 shares. All I did was put $10 in. I figured, what's the harm? Honestly, at the end of the day, if I lose those $10, I'm not really tripping about it. But if it goes up, it goes up. So that's my thought on cryptocurrency. And as we can see on the day, I'm up $31.49 or 0.59%. My portfolio is sitting at $5,363.85. We go to the week, I'm up $14.17 or 0.26%. If we go to the month, I'm up $53.37 or 1%. And then to the 3 month, I'm up $336.58 or 6.69%. On the year and the all-time is basically the same thing. It's going to be $364.18 or 7.28%. Again, I'm a dividend stock investor. I'm not trying to see crazy returns here. I'm trying to invest for a snowball effect in 1 or 2 years from now, see how high I can get my portfolio. So let's jump into my first stock that I have in my portfolio. The first stock that I have is Microsoft. I have 3.07 shares at an average cost of $211.65. I'm currently up $21.04. That's 3.24%. Microsoft, a technology company that I really believe in, that I really believe is just going to continue to grow in the next years to come, just like Apple. Speaking of Apple, my next stock in my portfolio is Apple. I have 2 shares at an average cost of $109.26. I'm currently up $44.48, and that's 20.36% return. Apple is a technology stock that I really believe in. Obviously, I'm using their products all the time to edit videos, my daily cell phone, everything. I just really believe in it, and hopefully they do a stock split sometime in the near future so that I can get some more stocks. But I'm going to continue to put into this company in the long term. The next stock that I have in my portfolio is Coca-Cola. I have 5 shares at an average cost of $49.35. I have a total return of $3.95. That's 1.61%. Coca-Cola is a company that I believe in, that they own so much and they're a part of everything. Like, they have the contract with Disney, they're all over the Disney parks. I'm just going to dollar cost my average into this company and watch my dividends roll in. The next stock that I have in my portfolio, Hormel. Hormel's been giving me some trouble here, but I have 8.06 shares at an average cost of $47.49. Total return of negative $14.41. That's negative 3.77%. The reason I bought into Hormel is because it's a common staple. Whether we're in a pandemic or a recession, you're always going to be buying Hormel products, meats, lunch meats, cheeses. All this stuff that they sell, everyone's going to need on an everyday basis, so that's why I'm going to continue to pour into Hormel, and hopefully they end up returning back to where they were. The next stock I have in my portfolio, SPHD, probably one of my favorites. I have 12.03 shares at an average cost of $33.70. My total return is $56.64 or 13.97%. This is a great ETF that I first found out about when I was looking into investing. On the year, they're almost up to back to where they were before the pandemic hit. So I just want to continue buying shares of this so that by the time it hits back up, I'm already 15, 20 shares in. That way I can see a bigger return when I'm dollar cost averaging at that point. The next stock I have in my portfolio, Really Income. I have 11 shares at an average cost of $60.82. My total return is negative $21 or negative 3.14%. This is a REIT stock that I believe in just because when the economy returns back to its normal strength, I'm going to be seeing some good dividends and I'm going to have a good return on this stock. The next stock I have in my portfolio, PEY. This is another REIT stock. I have 7.28 shares at an average cost of $15.38. My return is $19.85 or 17.72%. Again, I'm just going to pour into these REITs, kind of testing out the waters, seeing which one does better, which one does worse. And at the end of it, once the economy recovers, I'm just going to be happy with my return. The next stock I have in my portfolio, AGNC, another REIT stock. I have 7.76 shares at an average cost of $14.36. My total return is $8.33 or 7.47%. Just like PEY, I'm just going to continue to buy into this company so that when it returns back to its full strength, I can just reap the rewards. The next stock I have in my portfolio, PSEC, Prospect Capital. I have 13.77 shares at an average cost of $5.23. I have a total return of $4.56 or 6.33%. This is a riskier REIT because, as we can see down here, it has a dividend yield of 12.8%. Double-digit yields definitely scare people away, but I'm not scared because I'm only putting maybe $1, $2, buying a share here or there, kind of dollar cost averaging my way in. This makes up a small percentage of my entire portfolio, so I'm not too worried about this. And besides, it's been giving me dividends as well as increasing, so I'm happy with it. The next stock I have in my portfolio is GM. I have 2.04 shares at an average cost of $30.17. That's a total of $26.9, 43.6%. As we can see on the year, as soon as they announced that they're having that Hummer EV, the stock shot up like crazy. Currently, it's not giving any dividends back. I'm not too sure if I'm going to hold on to this for the long term. We'll see though. The next stock I have in my portfolio, I'm sure everyone's been talking about, NEO. I have one share at an average cost of $53.08. Total return of $2.10. That's 3.96%. Everyone's been talking about this stock like crazy. As we can see on the last year, it's up about 1,000%. I don't know if I'm going to keep this stock, but we'll see. Comment down below what you guys think. The next stock that I have in my portfolio is AT&T. AT&T, I have 13 shares at an average cost of $27.63. That's a total of $30.81 or 8.58% total return. I think it's going to continue to grow because everyone needs the telecommunication companies, everyone needs cell phones, everyone needs all these things. So I'm going to continue to buy into it for the long term. The next stock that I have, Verizon, another telecommunications stock. I have 4 shares at an average cost of $59.48, negative $3.84 or negative 1.61%. It's another telecommunications stock. I think it's something that people need. So I'm just going to continue to put into it and hopefully reap the rewards once the economy recovers. The next stock that I have, Johnson & Johnson. I have 1 share at an average cost of $151.51. Total return of $9.03. That's 5.96%. I bought into this at a really good time. I saw it dip below that $150 mark. Unfortunately, I bought it a couple seconds later that it shot up, but that's totally fine. I'm completely happy with this purchase, and I want to continue to purchase Johnson & Johnson for the long term. The next stock that I have in my portfolio is Takeda Pharmaceuticals. I have 20 shares at an average cost of $17. I'm up $17 or 5.01%. I believe that the pharmacy companies are just going to continue to go up in stock. Everyone needs them. It's a big part of the US economy, and you can't go wrong with little pharmacy stock. The next stock I have in my portfolio is Merck. I don't know how to say that. And ticker symbol MRK. I have 5 shares at an average cost of $80.60. Total return of $17.11 or 4.25% total return. This is another pharmacy company that I believe in and that I'm just going to continue to buy into for the long term. The next stock I have in my portfolio, Pembina. I have 5 shares at an average cost of $21.33. That's $28.35 or 26.56 total return. Another pharmacy company that I'm just going to continue to pour into. I've done my research. I feel pretty confident with them, and so far they haven't let me down. The next stock in my portfolio, OKE. I have 4 shares at an average cost of $32.48. This is an energy company that I've done some research on. I saw some other YouTubers talking about it and I really believe in, so I'm just going to hold on to this for the long term. The next stock I have in my portfolio is EPD, Enterprise Products. I have 7 shares at an average cost of $19.83. That's a total return of $11.01, and that's 7.93%. This is another energy company that's relatively low and it has a pretty good dividend yield, so I'm just going to continue to hold on to this and put more equity into it. The next stock I have in my portfolio is Chase Bank. I have 1 share of $96.30. That's $39.70 or 41.23%. As soon as I saw this drop below $100, I knew I had to hop in. Now I'm going to continue to buy more into it, probably just dollar cost my way in because I'm up so much now. The next stock I have in my portfolio is Main Street Capital. I have 2 shares of this at an average cost of $31.41. Total return of 32 cents, and that's 0.51%. Main Street Capital focuses on debt relief for certain companies. I think that this company is going to continue to grow, especially during times like this as our economy recovers. And the last stock that I have in my portfolio, Coyote, I have one share at an average cost of $0 because I got this for free. Again, my referral code is going to be linked in the bio if you guys want to start yourself, or if you and a friend want to get in and make sure that both of you get a free stock, but it's a free stock. The only reason I'm holding on to this is for memory's sake. I got it at $5 and now it's at $7, so I mean, hey, maybe I'll sell it, maybe I won't. And that's all the stocks I have in my portfolio. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is going to be a series on my channel, Road to $10,000 in my Robinhood portfolio. Comment if you guys have any questions. Be sure to like and subscribe to follow along for the journey. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.